In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoDS with Alibaba. By the end, you'll know how to find a supplier, import a product, price it correctly, publish it to your store, and fulfill orders smoothly using manual workflows. First, head to AutoDS and either sign up or log in. Connect the store you sell on, whether that's Shopify, WooCommerce, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. Let AutoDS finish syncing your catalog and settings before you import anything. A fully connected store prevents listing issues later. Now switch over to Alibaba.com and search for the product you want to sell. Filter for reliable suppliers by looking for trade assurance and the verified supplier badge. Favor options with a low minimum order quantity or a sample option, so you can test without committing to big inventory. If a supplier only accepts very high MOQs right away, keep browsing for a more flexible partner. Open the product listing you like and copy the full product URL. You'll use that link inside AutoDS. Back in AutoDS, you have two import approaches. The fast route is using the product importer. Click Add Products, choose Add Product by URL, paste your Alibaba link, select your store, and import. Because Alibaba listings vary, take a moment to refine what was pulled in. Double check variants, adjust pricing, swap or compress images if needed, and review shipping details to match the supplier's offer. For extra reliability, you can create the product manually in AutoDS. Start a new product, upload your images and description, set up your variants, and paste the Alibaba supplier link in the supplier field. This method helps you avoid mapping errors and keeps your listing clean. Next, set your pricing and profit rules. Enter your cost price, add your target margin. Many sellers aim for around 30 to 60%, and include shipping and handling in your calculations. Since you're sourcing from Alibaba rather than typical AliExpress listings, price to reflect better margins and potential branding. Review your product details carefully, then publish to your store. Visit the live page, test images and variants, and make sure shipping and return info is clear. Your product is now live and ready to sell. When orders come in, fulfillment is manual for Alibaba. Go to Orders in AutoDS, copy the customer details, place the order on Alibaba with your supplier, complete payment, and then add the tracking number back into AutoDS. Auto ordering is not available for Alibaba, so this step is essential. Message the supplier to confirm processing time, request neutral packaging, ask about faster shipping options, and, if needed, request quality control photos. Good communication reduces delays and returns. As tracking becomes available, enter it in AutoDS and let it sync to your store so customers stay updated. To scale, many sellers start with automated AliExpress testing, move winning products to Alibaba, order in small bulk, and then improve margins and branding over time.